Hello students, today we are going to discuss about problem 6 minus bracket of 4 plus minus 9 bracket into 5 plus 3 is equal to how much? 4 options they given, so how to solve? Mostly 95% of the students fail to answer this type of questions. So come now, 6 minus 4 plus minus 9 bracket into 5 plus 3. What we have to solve first? So for this purpose we have to use BODMAS rule. BODMAS. According to this, first we have to complete the B for bracket, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now first we have to solve the brackets. 6 minus 4 plus, this is minus 9, it will become 4 minus 9 into 5 plus 3 is equal to, see, same bracket is there, so 6 minus of 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5 into 5 plus 3. Again this bracket we have to solve, so 6 minus of minus 5 is equal to plus 5, so 6 plus 5 into 5 plus 3. Now what we have to solve? See, after bracket, after division, multiplication we have to see, so 5 into 5 we have to solve, not 5 plus 3. So 6 plus 5 into 5 is equal to 25 plus 3. So 6 plus 25 is equal to 31. 31 plus 3 is equal to 34. So answer is B, 34. Try for one more. I will give you 8 minus 9 plus minus 7 bracket of bracket into 6 plus 4. After completion of the question, just comment. Okay, thank you.